And we got one article for technology for you today. We're going to be talking about how Apple is developing foldable clamshell iPhones. And this is going to be from Reuters. We're going to run down this quickly for you today so you can be situated for your technology.
Yes, sir.
So, Apple has been exploring foldable iPhones as early as 2018 and currently has at least two active prototypes of models that are fold like clamshells. Talk to us, Buddha. What's going on with this?
Hey, man. Apple, they're trying to do the flip game with
Mhm,
the Samsung Flip and the Motorola Razr. They've been working on this for a while, as you see, from 2018. They still haven't
mhm,
came out because, Apple wants to make sure that when they do something, they do it premium and pristine.
mhm,
So they don't want no creases. They don't want, it to be fragile and everything, which has been reports of the early folds and the early flips and stuff. But as
mhm.
you know, I have a fold and my mom has
Yeah,
a flip.
yeah.
We've
And yours
been
is like big time. Like it folds out
yeah,
like a whole iPad. Like that
yeah,
thing fire. Like I
yeah,
really want one.
yeah. That's my baby. I don't think I can get a regular phone, even though I still have an iPhone. That's my other phone.
Mhm.
But yeah, and my mom, this is her second flip, so she's been flipping for the past couple of years now. And
Okay,
yeah, that's
okay.
that's where phones is continuing to go. But I don't believe Apple's gonna make a opening phone that opens to a tablet because that'll cannibalize their iPad market, and that's not something they want to do.
Yeah, I feel like they're going to be competing with themselves technically, versus iPad Mini versus the iPad versus the iPad Pro. Like, there's a
Yeah,
lot going on.
yeah. So you'll have like a mini iPhone that'll open up
Mhm.
into a full iPhone. And also, Apple's working on a folding iPad, which is when
Yeah.
you close it, it closes into an iPad mini. And when you open
Hmm.
it, it opens into an iPad Pro or maybe even a regular
Mm.
iPad. So, that right there is innovation. And we shouldn't expect that until after 2027, 2028, the
Ooh,
earliest. So we'll see.
I love that new technology. I love it. Keep it coming.
Yes,
Let's see
sir.
what it do. If it even really comes to fruition,
It'll
because they're
it'll
all
be
still
there
prototypes.
because Samsung's on their sixth generation of their fold and their sixth generation of their flip. And there's other companies like OnePlus that's out there and Huawei that's out there making their
Hmm.
folding phones. So the technology is
Hmm.
there. Apple just wants to get a little bit further for them to put their stamp of approval on it.
And you were telling me that Apple was planning to release the foldable iPhone by 2025. Do you think that's still on schedule till today?
Nah, I'm pretty sure it's pushback. I'm pretty sure we're looking at 2028 at the
Mm.
earliest for any type of folding anything from Apple.
Mm.
Especially with the Vision Pro that they released. I think that's going to be their major focus from here on out. They want you to they want to shrink that down
Mhm.
as small as they can to if they can make it resemble like how Snapchat has their Ray-Ban glasses and
Yeah.
stuff, they could
Yeah.
shrink that down. That's Apple's goal. So that's their
Mm.
focus for now.
That's crazy. Everybody really rocking them Vision Pros, driving and all. People are wild
Yeah, people,
nowadays.
wow. I don't know if it's gonna take somebody to crash for them to be like, you can't wear
Yeah.
your Vision Pro driving. I mean,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
ridiculous.
Wild times we're living in.